FSLR is trending up 6.96%. This is Monday, the 22nd of December 2025. Okay, it exchanged around 3.3 million shares, way above its regular volume of around 2.22. Let's see now, the line trend is strongly bullish. Okay, the extrapolation is saying that this trend it has now, it wasn't today that it started. So this is the third straight session of gains for the stock. So the algo seems to be, or this extrapolation we have here seems to be suggesting that it might even remain that way up till 2 more days. That is the 23rd and New Year's Eve, the 24th. Then after that, it might be a contraction. So all in all, it's just the same pattern we've been seeing, consolidating with an upward trend. Yeah, consolidating accommodatively. An accumulative contraction is what is expected to play out. So it's going to continue to consolidate, but progressing to the upside. Yeah, let's see now. That's what we have going on right now. Let's see now. We have some sentiments about what's going on with it. Let's see now. But before we do that, before we get the sentiments, let's see now. 284.14, 297.56, 305.86. These are the projections it has on its daily chart. Yeah, the stock hasn't the last time it ever closed below its, okay, well, once was just of late. Yeah, sometime on the 17th, Wednesday the 17th. That was the first time it closed below its 40-day moving average since June. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's just see what we have on its 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we have here extrapolation is saying that it's going to continue. The contraction is on the way, is afoot right now. It's going to remain that way up till the 2nd of January, and the 40 period moving average is also rising to curtail the imminent or the possible contraction, or just to slow it down, if you like. Momentum is expected to continue to weaken and may just remain stable from the 26th month, Boxing Day, the 26th. Projections are saying 253.96. It's a downward projection. Yeah, it has a previous pivotal projection of 287.21. Yeah, if it closes above that, there's a chance that it may continue to advance. Yeah. Okay, let's see whether we can get a sentiment for First Solar.
First Solar is trending as Alphabet's acquisition of Intersect Power has put a bright spotlight on the company's role in powering the next wave of AI infrastructure. Intersect Power is a major buyer of First Solar's photovoltaic modules, and its deepening ties with Google directly connect FSLR to the rapidly rising energy demands of AI driven data centers, which require massive amounts of reliable, scalable, and increasingly clean power. Across the community, investors are zeroing in on First Solar's unique positioning. Its vertically integrated, US based manufacturing footprint is seen as a major strategic advantage at a time when energy security, domestic supply chains, and IRA backed incentives are top priorities. This has fueled expectations that First Solar could be a preferred supplier for large scale government, dimension adjacent, and hyperscaler backed energy projects tied to AI expansion. Sentiment is further supported by First Solar's strong backlog, long term contracts, and differentiated thin film technology, which performs well in hot climates and large utility scale deployments, exactly the environments where data center linked solar farms are being built. Analysts have begun lifting price targets, pointing to sustained demand visibility and improving margins as new U.S. factories ramp. With AI driven electricity consumption accelerating and hyperscalers racing to lock in clean power at scale, many investors believe First Solar is entering a multi year growth phase. Speculation is building that FSLR could be on a path toward new highs as solar becomes a critical pillar of AI infrastructure, rather than just a cyclical renewable energy play.
Okay, so see what you make of FSLR, and thank you very much for watching this video.